The Santa Cruz River brings life to the desert. It brought life to Tucson. It brought life to Marana. The Santa Cruz River runs north just west of I-10. The river flows next to Nature Med's Golden Leaf Grow and Dispensary on Ina. I'm working to expand the site. My name is Dave Hatfield. Let's ride from Nature Med to I-10. The current dispensary is homely, but with prospects for a handsome future. For the past 7 weeks, Haydon worked the 13-acre site preparing pads for a new 15,000 square foot dispensary and a 170,000 square foot grow facility. The site was once a concrete batch plant, made into a dumping ground for demolished concrete. It was a green waste recycling center before we started work. Engineers gave direction to the owners and Haydon on how to make this site right. First, every inch of the building pads, and then some, must be excavated. That material is screened and concrete crushed. Then the material is reinstalled, compacted, and tested for density. The work is like taking 3 football fields, digging down 6 feet, and replacing what was just dug up. The work isn't for the timid, ill-tempered, or unreliable. Only the hardworking, accountable, and trustworthy need apply. Haydon assigned a Southern Arizona-based crew to work Golden Leaf. My client calls us the Dirt Devils. At the beginning of dirt jobs, work can seem slow. The Dirt Devils removed undesirable material and created a working area to store materials for placement. The workforce, equipment, and plan changed during the process to accommodate speed and quality. Here is how the site looked on September 7th. Approximately 40% of the site is excavated, geogrid for stabilization installed, and materials stored or placed. On October 23rd, the Dirt Devils will turn the site over to Haydon's building division. Vertical construction will start. Soon there will be new buildings and new commerce on the banks of the Santa Cruz.